How to sort markets by the market cap on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sort the markets by the market cap on Binance. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app like this, and now as you can see this is the home page. Now you should click on here on this option here, and you have to sort it by market cap here as you can see, and that's it. Now all the markets are sorted by their market cap. And hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and to support me. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you and thank you.